You can create invoices directly from your schedule in LawnPro without having to go to the Invoice tab. In this video, we'll show you two different ways to do it. The first way is to go to your schedule. Then you want to go to Grid View. From here, you'll see all your visits listed. Check the boxes next to the visits you want to invoice. Then you'll click the Complete an Invoice Selected button. A pop-up will appear to verify that you want to complete and invoice this visit. Now you can see that these events were closed. If you go to your Finance tab, Invoices, the new invoices will be listed here. There are a couple of different invoicing preference choices when setting up your LawnPro account. If you haven't configured those yet, it's worth looking into to make sure invoices get created the way you want them. We have a whole other video on this. The second method would be going back to your schedule. On the calendar view, click directly on a visit. This will open up the pop-up. From the pop-up, click Mark as Complete and then Complete an Invoice. LawnPro will automatically close the visit and either add the visit to an existing invoice or create a brand new one, again, based on your preference settings. This is a great option when you're finishing up a job and want to get the invoice created right on the spot. So whether you prefer to batch invoice multiple visits at once from the grid view or knock them out one at a time right from the calendar, LawnPro gives you the flexibility to work however it makes sense for your business.